Rilla is, to me, a form of transparency for us with our technicians, with our customers. It gives me an idea of where we're at within our service system, how we're training them, how we're showing up, and then, of course, how we can deliver on our promises. My name is Jared Scow. I'm the service manager here at Lazer Home Services. We provide all services, install, repair on plumbing, electrical, heating, and cooling. We look to deliver a great customer experience first and foremost. From our KPIs that I've measured, we have seen a marked improvement in average sale and close rate. Just being able to onboard our members, our new members, Rilla just allows us a window to peek into that, like what's going on. The two biggest areas that I can quantify are close rate, which is up on average about 10%, which is great. Went from about a rolling in the upper 60s to almost 80%. Our average sale has increased by about $250 across the board. It was mid 400s and now it's almost 800. I wasn't quite sure on how my training was translating into our customers' homes. I was able to get to maybe a ride along a week. How are we going to these houses and getting away with maybe just a trip charge? Like, what happened? And I had, outside of talking to the technician, doing a happy call with the customer, I had no idea. And Rilla gave me an idea to pinpoint it very quickly. I could check the trackers and make sure we're hitting the key points, such as, mentioning our Lazer Home Care Club program, our service partner program, and see whether we're hitting those or not. Partnering with Rilla was a great decision. In our business, we need to see how our techs are doing. Rilla allows us to see that.